Hello, I am NUUR bin NORDIN, 13DDT22F1128 from Sikrim Enterprise. Today I want to talk about social campaign. So what is social campaign? Social campaign is also known as a social media campaign or social cause campaign. It's a connected and strategic effort designed to raise awareness and prompt action around a specific social issue, cause or objective. This campaign utilizes various communication channels including social media platforms to mobilize individuals or communities toward a common goal. The primary objective of a social campaign can be very widely and may include raising awareness, advocacy and activism, and more. Social campaigns often leverage storytelling, user-generated content, and hashtags to reach a broader audience and generate participation. They may initialized by non-profit organizations, business, individual or governmental body, and they can tackle a wide array of issues, including environmental conservation, education, poverty alleviation, and more. So the reason why our company do a social campaign is to raise the awareness about our product, to bring attention, to increase public knowledge and understanding about our product. For this, our company use awareness campaign. The campaign focus on raising awareness about specific social issues such as mental health, environmental conservation, human rights violation, and all social injustice and more. Their goal is to educate the people or public and draw attention to present matter. We also use several channels such as Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. In those channels, we make posts using copywriting technique and strategies. Copywriting technique is testimonials first. In copywriting, a testimonial is a kind of message or statement provided by a customer, client, or user of a product or service. It like a review or recommendation that share their personal experience with the product or service. 2 is people motivation. In copywriting, the technique of appealing to people motivation involves understanding what drives individuals to take action or make decisions. 3 is solving people problem. In copywriting, the technique of solving people problem involves in highlighting how a product or service can address or resolve a specific issue or challenge that the audience might be facing. And lastly, unique selling point. In copywriting, the unique selling point is all about highlighting what makes a product or service special or different from other in simple and clear way. Thank you.
Hi, my name is JANNATUN AZMI, 13DDT22F1152. Sikrim Enterprise includes 2 copywriting strategies, namely hard sell and soft sell. Hard sell involves direct selling to your prospect by explaining details about the product and its pricing. Soft sell, on the other hand, indirect selling to your prospect. In other words, when your prospect read your advertisement, they may not realize that you're actually intending to sell something. Example of hard sell and soft sell for Sikrim Enterprise advertisement as follows. For our social media campaign that the Sikrim Enterprise achieve is with compelling advertisement, Sikrim Enterprise can attract numerous customers. This can be said because when conducting social campaign, it creates excitement among customers to learn more about the product and service, simultaneously leading to an increase in customer. Thank you.